Hello guys! Good afternoon and welcome na naman po sa ating Hamster Combat. Ayun, ngayong araw na to guys is June 24, araw po ng Monday, at for this video tutorial, tutungo tayo guys sa ating daily combo wherein meron tayong additional na 5 million points na pwedeng ma-receive kapag syempre nahulaan natin yung pinaka-daily combo. So, by the way, no, syempre, alam nyo naman, since for the daily combo, marami ng mga nagsisend din ng video, including yung mga photo, kung ano ba yung pinaka-daily combo every day. Okay, so for today, yung June 24, Monday, for the daily combo, guys, meron tayong prediction markets, security team, and then yung license Vietnam. Okay, dun sa ating license Vietnam, by the way guys, medyo may konting additional na task since kinakailangan nyong mag-invite a friend ng isang friend lang na pwede nyong ma-invite. Okay, so pakita ko na rin sa inyo guys, no, yung ayan. So as you can see guys, yung license Vietnam is invite plus one more friends. So again, kasi kanina lang meron akong na-invite, kaya dun sa pinaka-account natin, baka hindi nyo na makita yung license na Vietnam tapos merong invite a friend. Okay, so pero wag na natin patagalin guys, no? So for our daily combo guys, umpisahan na natin. Punta tayo guys dito sa mine. Okay, tapos yung pinaka-daily combo natin na first card is yung prediction market. So dito tayo sa markets guys. Tapos, scroll lang kayo ng bahagya guys, makikita nyo guys yung prediction markets. Okay, so, saan ba yun? Ayan. Okay, so yung prediction markets natin guys, ito yung pinaka first card for our daily combo. Prediction markets, level 14, 7.78k, at nangangailangan tayo ng 581.52k. na points para ma-level up na natin. Okay, so i-go ahead natin guys. Ayan, so cool. First card is ready. Don't stop. Okay, so again, yun yung pinaka natin, no? Unang card, yung prediction markets. And then for our next guys na daily combo card is punta tayo dito sa PRN team. Ayan, tapos hanapin natin guys yung security team. Okay, so security team, ayan, nandito siya. Security team, level 15, profit per hour is 5.03k. Level 15, nangangailangan tayo ng 725.36k. Ayan, so, ayan, 706, ayan, 36 doon, pero 363 dito. Ayan, so, go ahead. The second card is assembled, just a little bit left. Okay, so yun yung pangalawang card. And then, yun na nga, no, yung sinasabi ko kanina, guys. Punta lang kayo, guys, yung pinaka-license Vietnam, kasi bagong card to. Punta ka ng legal, sa pinakababa, ayan. Kung bago ka pa lang, guys, at hindi mo pa na-upgrade yun, at hindi mo pa nagagawa yung pinaka-task, ang number one task dito, guys, is kinakailangan mong mag-invite friend. So, pakita ko ulit, ito siya. Okay? Ayan. So, invite plus one more friend. So, kinakailangan nyo pong mag-invite. I-send nyo yung link ninyo para, guys, magawa nyo, guys, yung dito para ma-upgrade nyo to. Okay? So, since nag-invite na ako, so ready na tayo. Kailangan lang natin ng 85k para ma-level up. At, syempre, makumpleto yung pinaka-daily combo card natin. Okay? So, go ahead natin. At ayan na nga guys. So yay, the combo is complete. You're doing great. And then take the prize. Meron na tayong 5 million na additional points. Okay, so review lang natin ng bagya, no? Yung pinakaunang natin guys, yung prediction markets. Okay, so yan, the card has been found. Well done. So yung prediction markets natin guys, nandito po sa markets. Ayan. Tapos scroll nyo lang ng bahagya guys. Ayan, so andito yung prediction markets sa markets. And then next is yung sa security team, punta lang po kayo, itong pangalawa natin na card, punta ka lang kayo sa PRN team. Tapos bandang baba makikita nyo guys, ito yung security team. Okay, nandun sa PRN team. And then syempre yung pinakapangatlong card natin is nasa legal. Ayan, tapos pinakababa, ayan na yung license Vietnam. So again, do take note, sa pinakauna po na task, bago nyo po ma-level up yan, nangangailangan po kayo guys ng invite a friend na isa. Okay, so isend nyo lang yung link nyo, tapos kinakailangan laruin niya konti ng bahagya, tapos mag-a-appear na naman dun yan. Tapos yun, pwede nyo nang i-level up. Okay, so muli guys, thank you so much for our daily combo, June 24, araw po ng Monday. Meron tayong prediction markets na makikita sa markets, security team na makikita sa PRN team, and then yung license Vietnam na makikita dito sa legal. Okay? Thank you so much guys sa panonood. Maraming salamat sa inyo.